Okay, we are on our way into the boathouse for our reservations. Hold on, I'm not. Oh, it's right here. This is the brunch menu. They only serve brunch on the weekends.
Thank you again.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Don't you like calamari?
No, he didn't like
Oh,
calamari.
you didn't like calamari?
There's the drinks. Oh, that's that Duck Duck Raz. That is so
Yeah, the
cute.
little
We'll have to
duck.
come back and get that. The rolls are good. How do you like the rolls?
One of the best. One of the best. The butter and cinnamon combination with the tenderness of the bread. And they give you butter on top of that.
You gotta talk in the mic.
The butter, the cinnamon, really good. Yep. One of my favorite ones. Favorite rolls.
Beats Texas Roadhouse.
Oh, no comparison.
Oh, the food looks so delicious.
One right here? Thank you very much.
More potatoes. All right, let's dig in. Go ahead. Are you gonna try that first? Good. Look at the decor. We are leaving. We just ate. Oh, there's the dual pianos over there. Go ahead. If you eat at the boathouse, you get a discount on the ample cars.